Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to convert picture or image into Excel data. So this is a sample table contain inventory details which contain ID, name, description, unit price, quantity, inventory value, reorder level, reorder time in days and quantity in reorder. So this is a PNG format. I cannot do any copy paste or something, but I want to convert this into an Excel format. Let's see how to do that. So for this we are going to use a third-party tool called Lido app. I have given a link in the YouTube description. You can go ahead and do a free sign up and then you will be landed here. Once you're landed on the dashboard, click on the new file. Now close this pop-up and just give some name like data extraction or something as a file name, and click on this extract data button, and here just click here to upload the table data. Once the image is uploaded, you will get these details. So it will automatically identify the columns, and if you want to add more columns or if you just want to keep less columns, you can add the new column by entering the column name here, or if you want to delete, you can just click on this X button and delete the columns. And if you have any special instruction that you want to feed to this tool, that you can feed it over here. If you want to extract multiple rows per document, you can check this box. So once you are done, click on process all files. It will take only few seconds and then your image will be converted into Excel format. So that's it. Success process the file table data.png. Let me close this and let me open it aside. So here you can do the comparison. It's 101, 102, 103, 104. Name, description, unit price and quantity in stock is captured as per the image. Now let's export this into Excel. Go to file and export values to Excel. So this will get downloaded as a XLSX file. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.